Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the finals black screen. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now, first thing to do is to change the compatibility settings of the finals. And to do that, all you have to do is to open your Steam account, then go to your library and search for the finals game, then right click on it and go to manage, then browse local files. Then this folder will open, and all you have to do is to right click on this application, then choose properties and go to compatibility, then choose disable full screen optimizations, then click on apply, then OK, and this is the first step. And now the second step is to go to your graphics settings, type in the search bar graphics settings. Then as you can see here, you can choose desktop app, then click on browse. And now you have to choose the game from its folder. And in order to do that, go to your Steam library, then go to Steam apps, common, then search for the finals, then click on this icon right here, this application right here, and click on add. Then choose from options, high performance, and click on save. And that was step 2. And now if you're still facing the same problem, you can jump into step 3. And in order to apply this step, all you have to do is to go to the settings of your Windows, then go to home and choose update and security, then go to Windows security, then choose app and browser control and click on exploit protection settings, and then you should go down till you find this option right here, force randomization for images. Click on this bar right here, then choose on by default and click on yes. Still having the problem? Jump into the next step. And all we have to do now is to close any background applications and turn off the overlays. And to do that, you should open your task manager while playing the game or even before opening the game application and search for anything that is running in the background and interfering or conflicting with the finals, something like Blitz or Vanguard, Raid Client, or any anti-cheat rather than Easy Anti-Cheat, or even Google Chrome, Microsoft Browser, MSI Afterburner, or any applications that are running in the background and conflicting with the finals. And you can also close the overlays in some applications that you use while playing the finals, something like Discord, for example. And in order to do that, all you have to do is to open your Discord, then go to user settings and scroll down till you find game overlay. And after that, you should turn it off, as you can see, then click on escape. And you can also do the same thing for the finals. And in order to do that, go back to your Steam, then right click on the finals, then go to properties. And here, as you can see in the general partition, all you have to do is to disable this icon right here, then click on escape. And you can also verify the game files to solve this problem by going to your library, then right click on the finals, properties, then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files, and it will take a couple of minutes. And after doing this, you can recheck if the game is loading properly or not. Now, if you're still facing the problem, let's jump into another solution. And to do such a solution, we are gonna reset the finals. All you have to do is to right click on the finals, then manage, browse local files. Then after opening the game folder, go back to common folder and create a new folder. And it doesn't matter what name will you name this folder. I'm gonna just name it TF, for example. And now all you have to do is to take these files, cut, not copy, then move it to the new folder that we have created, and this will take a couple of minutes. Now, after moving the files, all you have to do is to uninstall the game from your computer by going back, right click, then manage and click on uninstall, uninstall again. Then you should install it again in order to reset the game. Click on install, and here I didn't make any changes, so I'm gonna click on install. And when it starts to download and show this to you, all you have to do is to click on pause. And after that, you will find that a new folder has been created to the game. And all you have to do now is to right click on the game again, then manage and uninstall it for the second time. And now, as you can see here, I have this file empty. Now, all you have to do is to go to the folder that we have created and select all these files and take it copy or paste as you like. Then go back to the main folder of the game and paste the files. Wait till it's finished. Then after moving the files again, all you have to do is to go to Steam and click on install. And by this way, the files will be like validating. And this process will not take a lot of time, like downloading the game or moving the game files. After finishing this process, you can open the game and see if the problem is fixed or not. And if it didn't work, what you can do is to move the game from your HDD or from the current disk to another disk. You can try to move it from HDD to SSD or M.2. So what I'm gonna do now is to move this game from my HDD to the M.2 that I have. So what you have to do is to go to this icon right here, Steam, then click on it, then go to settings and go down till you find storage. Then you can add another storage right here. You can click on add and add the storage that you want. You can click on, let me choose another location and click on add. Then choose your local disk C, for example. Then you should choose the partition that you have the finals game on. Then go to the finals and click on it. Then click on move. Then you can move it to any disk you want. And after finishing, you should click on move. And congratulations, you have moved the game from a partition to another partition. By this way, I moved my game from the slow HDD to the fast M.2. And last solution, if you're still facing the problems after all these steps, all you have to do is to simply delete the game, then reinstall it and download it again. Sometimes it may work with you, but I hope one of the solutions that I have mentioned in this video works with you guys. And that's all for today. These were all the methods to fix the issue. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.